Find the lowest common multiple of 20 and 45. So what does lowest common multiple mean? Multiple, if you like, is another word for times table. So we are looking for the lowest number that goes into both 20 and 45. So a number that is in the times table of 20 and 45. So we are looking for them. Now there are two ways to find this number out, and I'm going to show you both methods. This is the first method, method 1. We write down all the numbers, the multiples of 20, so the 20 times table, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and so on. So the ... means it carries on. And we also write down the multiples of 45, the times table of 45. So we have 45, what are the next numbers? 90, next one, 135, the next one, 180, the next one, 225, and they go on. Now you'll notice at the moment, so far, my times table for 20 goes to 120, and at the moment I have no numbers that go into either of them, so I'm going to carry on with my 20 times table. 140, 160, 180, 200, and carries on. Now, are there any numbers that go into both of these? So is there a number that goes into the 20 times table and 45 times table? And you'll notice 180 appears in both. So that means the lowest common multiple of 20 and 45 is 180. So that's method 1. What's the second method? The second method is using our prime factors. So this is method 2. Method 2. So if we take 20 and break it down into our prime factors, what numbers multiplied give you 20? 2 times 10. Is 2 a prime factor? Yes, it is. Is 10? No. What numbers make 10? 2 times 5. Are they prime numbers? Yes, they are. So 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Or if I write this out again, 2 squared times 5. Let's take 45 now. What numbers multiplied give you 45? It's 5 times 9. Are any of those prime numbers? 5 is. Is 9 a prime number? No, it's not. What numbers multiplied give you 9? 3 times 3. Are they prime factors? Prime numbers? Yes, they are. So 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. Or in other words, 3 squared times 5. Now I'm going to write 45 just underneath 20. You'll see why in a moment. 3 squared times 5. Now for the lowest common multiple, I'm going to look for the highest prime factors. So if I look at this, I've got 2 squared here, I've got 3 squared, and I've got a 5 here. So I take the largest powers. So in this example, I'm going to take all of them. So our lowest common multiple is going to be 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. And if I just make a bit more space here and write this out. So if I work this out now, 2 squared is 4 times 3 squared is 9 times 5. So I need to work this out. 4 times 5 gives me 20 times 9. So if you like, 2 times 9 gives me 18, and then add the other 0 or times it by 10, so 180. So again, my LCM is 180. Just like my first method, the answer is the same. It's 180. You can use either method. Use the method that you feel the most comfortable with.